And before I make this video, I just want to give a warning. Before you buy any altcoin at this time, make sure you study the market to know your entry, because most of the altcoins are descending. Even when Bitcoin pumped to 105, the altcoins didn't pump along, they were descending. All right, and some of them are going to the major supports. So I'm going to log into my account now. Let's do some analysis. I will just list some of these coins. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and also put on your notification bell so that anytime I make a video, you will see it. And if you haven't gotten my fundamental analysis book that will give you a detailed knowledge on the coins to hold for short-term and long-term purpose, kindly check the description of this video to download it. Let's get straight to the point. From the day Bitcoin dropped to 97,600, some altcoins haven't picked up. And if you take a look at 1 day time frame, 12 hours time frame, 6 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame, you will see some of those altcoins that are still in downtrend. Like when you open them, you see lower lows. For instance, this is Doge. All right, from the day Bitcoin dropped to 97,000, which is around here, you can see that it continued dropping. It never picked up. All right, it just consolidated in. If you take a look at, this is 1 hour time frame. If you take a look at this chart, you see that it just consolidated around here and it continued dropping. You can see another lower low here, which is also indicating a downtrend. If care is not, even though it is sitting at the current resistance, the lower band, which is the resistance zone, and the if you the RSI 7 is saying 22, which means it is still on downtrend. That means it is still going down in price. So that is it for that on Doge. And let's even check out other altcoins, right? So let's check out other altcoins. So let's check out let's check okay, let's check Popcat. Popcat has been doing very well before this, but currently I think Popcat is also having um descending order. You can see Popcat has been descending even when Bitcoin pumped to 90 um 205. Popcat never pumped. Popcat continued dumping. Right, so you can see Popcat is now at 0.2198. And if you take a look at the previous price, you can see that it is descending. All right, it is descending. You can see that the price is dropping, is descending. So that means this is not time to long this type of coin. So what do you do here? All you need to do here is wait. You have to wait for a confirmation before you can buy this coin, either for long-term or short-term purpose. All right, so that is it. So I think this coin is going to the major support. That is just it. If you break down from this current band, it is going down to the major support. All right, so that is it. In fact, I think the current price itself is very low, 0.2. Okay, so that is it. Okay, let's check out Sundog. You can see if you take a look at what I'm doing, you will observe that most of the coins that I am using for this analysis are meme coins. All right, you can see Sundog. The same thing also applies to Sundog. You can see if you take a look at it using a 12 hours time frame, you can see that it is also in downtrend. The price has been dumping. Okay, it has been dumping. This is, so this is not, if you want to long, you don't have to long coins like this for now. Especially if you're a future trader, you don't long coins like this for now, because you may end up losing more money and hitting your stop loss, or even getting liquidated if you don't manage your risk. That's just it. So even when Bitcoins try to pump, these coins don't pump along. All right, so that is it. So what are the coins that are doing well? I think one of the coins that is doing very well is MNT. Let's take a look at MNT. uh let's take a look at MNT is one of the coins that is doing very well. Even when Bitcoin is dropping in price, MNT is maintaining the trend. All right, okay, so you can see that the price is decreasing now, but if you take a look at it, in 12 hours time frame, you can see that MNT is not descending. MNT is not descending like other altcoins. MNT is not descending, and if in fact if it gets to this to looking at the previous movement, if it gets to this support level and Bitcoin make any move uptrend, you can see that it will start pumping again, right? So MNT isn't descending like other altcoins. So, and some other altcoins as well, like SRP. Let's take a look at SRP. Let's take a look at SRP. Okay, SRP. Okay. Okay, so whatever you are seeing now is a general market. Like, the general market is in downtrend, but if you take a look at long-term long-term market structure, you will discover that SRP has maintained an uptrend, even though when it got to 3.4, it the price went a bit down and started consolidating at between 2.7 to 2.5. So you can see that, okay, there is no much uh, downtrend here on SRP. Okay, so there's no descending, no much descending order here. So that is it. So before you trade any altcoin, take a look at the long term um, structure of the coin before buying. That is it. Thank you so much and have a good day. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more information on crypto and other coins as